What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, it's Al here, and in today's video we're going to be answering the question, how much does a car dealership owner make? If you're wondering how much a car dealership owner makes, you're not alone. It's a question many aspiring entrepreneurs ask before diving into the automotive industry. While owning a car dealership can be lucrative, the amount an owner makes can vary greatly depending on several factors. In this video, I'll break down those variables and give you a clear understanding of what you could expect to earn as a dealership owner. Factors that influence a car dealership owner's earnings. When it comes to running a successful car dealership, income is not just determined by the number of cars sold. Several elements impact how much an owner can make, from the size of the dealership to the types of vehicles sold. Let's dive into these key factors. The size of the dealership. The size of your dealership plays a significant role in determining your overall income. Smaller, independent dealerships tend to generate lower profits compared to larger franchise dealerships. Why? Bigger dealerships have more inventory, a larger customer base, and better access to financing, allowing them to sell more cars and generate more revenue. Location of the dealership. Location, location, location. It's a golden rule in real estate, and it applies just as much to car dealerships. Dealerships situated in high demand areas, particularly urban centers or regions with a robust economy, tend to perform better financially. In contrast, rural dealerships may face challenges due to a smaller pool of potential customers. However, rural areas with little competition and great marketing can sometimes surprise you by generating solid profits. Type of vehicles sold. The kind of cars you're selling also affects your bottom line. Dealerships that focus on high-end luxury vehicles often have a higher profit margin per sale compared to those selling economy cars. Meanwhile, specializing in used cars can sometimes be more profitable than selling new vehicles, thanks to lower acquisition costs and the opportunity to offer financing, insurance, and extended warranties. Franchise versus independent dealerships. Franchise dealerships often have high revenue potential because they benefit from recognized brand names, established customer bases, and manufacturer support. However, they come with franchise fees and stricter operational guidelines. On the other hand, independent dealerships provide more flexibility but may lack the brand power to attract a steady stream of customers. Owners of independent dealerships must rely heavily on reputation, service quality, and competitive pricing to thrive. Operational costs. Running a car dealership isn't just about selling cars. The operational costs, staffing, advertising, utilities, rent, vehicle maintenance, all affect the bottom line. Keeping these expenses under control is crucial for maximizing profits. Owners who can streamline operations often see a healthier profit margin, while those on high overheads may find it a bit more challenging to turn a solid profit. Economic climate and market trends. The state of the economy can make or break a car dealership's income. In a booming economy, customers are more likely to buy new cars, which leads to increased profits. However, during a recession or periods of economic uncertainty, car sales can plummet and profits may decline. It's also important to stay on top of market trends, such as the growing demand for electric vehicles, as adapting to these changes can help secure long-term profitability. Average income of a car dealership owner. Now that we've looked at the factors influencing earnings, you're probably curious about the numbers. What can a dealership owner actually expect to make? Income range for small dealerships. For owners of smaller independent dealerships, the average annual income can range from £50,000 to £100,000. While this can be a decent salary, it's essential to remember that this can range significantly depending on factors like location and the number of vehicles sold. In smaller markets, earnings may be on the lower end of the spectrum. Income range for large franchise dealerships. Franchise dealership owners typically earn more, with incomes ranging between £100,000 and £500,000 per year. In some cases, especially for dealerships selling high-end or luxury vehicles, this figure can climb even higher. Large dealerships tend to benefit from high sales volume, repeat customers, and service department income, all contributing to increased revenue. Yearly income estimates. On average, a car dealership owner in the UK can expect to earn between £150,000 and £300,000 annually. However, this figure is highly dependent on variables we've discussed, and in some cases, dealership owners can make much more or less than the national average. Profit margin breakdown in car dealerships. To understand where a dealership owner's income comes from, it's essential to look at profit margins. Vehicle sales profit margins. Profit margin on vehicle sales can vary widely. For new cars, dealerships typically earn between 5% and 10% profit on each vehicle. For used cars, the profit margin is often higher, ranging from 10% to 20%. While these numbers might seem small, the volume of cars sold plays a crucial role in determining overall earnings. Service and repair departments. Many dealerships have service and repair departments, which can be highly profitable. The margins on repairs and maintenance tend to be much higher than on vehicle sales, often exceeding 50%. A well-run service department can significantly boost a dealership's overall profits, especially if it offers high quality, reliable services. Financing and extended warranty sales. Dealerships also make money by offering financing, insurance, and extended warranties. These add-ons often come with higher profit margins, providing a lucrative additional income stream. While customers may focus on the price of the vehicles, these extras can significantly increase a dealership's overall revenue. How dealership owners can maximize their profits. Owning a car dealership isn't just about selling cars, it's about maximizing every revenue stream. Here are a few strategies dealership owners can use to boost their earnings. Diversifying income streams. Offering services beyond car sales is a smart way to increase revenue. Dealerships that provide repairs, insurance, detailing, and even car rentals can bring in additional income. Some dealerships also partner with finance companies to offer loans, which can lead to higher profits. Reducing operational costs. Keeping operational costs down is key to maximizing profits. Dealership owners who can manage expenses, whether it's through staff optimization, lowering utility costs, or reducing advertising spend, will see a significant increase in their profit margins. Investing in digital marketing. In today's world, having an online presence is essential. That's why I'm creating this YouTube video. Dealership owners who invest in digital marketing, SEO, and online advertising can reach broad audiences, generate more leads, and ultimately increase sales. From social media to online reviews, having a strong digital footprint can make all the difference in boosting profits. If you guys want to buy a car from CarNights, then go to carnights.co.uk and give me a call. Customer retention and loyalty programs. Keeping customers coming back is one of the best ways to ensure long-term profitability. By offering loyalty programs, discounts on services, or trade-in bonuses, dealership owners can foster repeat business. Happy customers also lead to positive reviews and referrals, which can further enhance profits. Common challenges that affect a dealership owner's income. Like any business, owning a dealership comes with challenges. Some common issues that can impact a dealership owner's earnings include economic downturns. When the economy takes a downturn, people tend to hold off on large purchases, including cars. This can result in reduced sales and lower profits for dealership owners. It's essential to have strategies in place to weather economic slumps, such as diversifying income streams or focusing on used car sales, which may be more appealing during tough financial times. Supply chain issues. Recent years have seen significant chain disruptions in the automotive industry, from shortage of semiconductors to shipping delays. Supply issues can affect the availability of new vehicles, making it harder for dealerships to meet demand. This can directly impact a dealership owner's income. Increased competition. With the rise of online car retailers and digital marketplaces, traditional car dealerships are facing more competition than ever before. Staying competitive means offering excellent customer service, competitive pricing, and additional perks to attract and retain customers. In summary, owning a car dealership can be a highly rewarding business venture, both financially and personally. However, like any business, the income you earn depends on numerous factors, from the size and location of your dealership to the types of vehicles you sell and how well you manage operational costs. While the average income for a car dealership owner ranges from $150,000 to £300,000 annually, this figure can vary based on the variables discussed. With smart business practices and a focus on customer satisfaction, a dealership owner can maximize profits and enjoy a successful career. Frequently asked questions. What is the average salary of a car dealership owner? The average salary of a car dealership owner in the UK ranges from £150,000 to £300,000 annually, depending on various factors such as dealership size, location, and the types of vehicles sold. How do car dealership owners get paid? Dealership owners typically earn money through profit margins on vehicle sales, as well as additional revenue from service departments, financing, and extended warranties. Is owning a car dealership profitable? Yes, owning a car dealership can be highly profitable, especially if the owner manages operational costs effectively, maximizing revenue streams, and adapts to market trends. How much does it cost to start a car dealership? The cost to start a dealership varies depending on the size, location, and whether it's a franchise or independent dealership. Startup costs can range from £50,000 to £300,000 or more. Do car dealership owners work full-time? Yes, most dealership owners work full-time, especially in the early years of running the business. Many oversee day-to-day operations, manage staff, and ensure dealerships run smoothly. If you're looking to buy a car, then get in contact with us today. Go to carnights.co.uk, carnights.co.uk, and we'll be able to help you find a great car. If you like this video, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and comment what your biggest takeaway was from the video, and we'll see you in the next one.